Hello guys, I hope you are fine. So today we'll be starting a new topic and new concept. So let us see what is a new topic and new concept. So today we'll be learning 4-digit multiplication into 2-digit multiplication. Our first sum is 2312 into 12. So before doing the sum, let us understand the formula first. So first one is same, like usual of every sum, down number with the up number. Second step is also same. From the last 2 digit we have to do cross multiplication. Third number step is little complicated. So here also I will be adding a 0 to remove your, means to make the sum very easy to do. So in the third step, same step of 3 digit by 2 digit, we have to do corners cross multiplication from the last 3 digit. If we add 0 here, then the middle one, then find the sum. In the fourth step, what we have to do here, it is little bit like that. From top first 2 digits and from the bottom last 2 digit cross multiplication, means 2 and 1, 3 and 2. That's why I've given a slanting arrow. Means this one will be equal to this and this one will be equal to this. And in the fifth step, like all usually, top number with the bottom number, means top number is 2 and bottom is 1. So let us start our sum by not delaying. So first let us step 1. In 1 2 1s 2 2s are 4. So nothing is carried, 0 is carried. Then cross multiplication, 1 into 2 2 and 1 into 2 2. So 2 plus 2 4. So here also 4. 0 is carried away. Then in the third step, what I said, corners, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6, 0 into 2 0, 1 into 1 1. So 6 plus 0 plus 1 will give you 7, 0 7. In the fourth step, nothing is carried. Here this 2 into 2 will give you 4. 2 into 2 will give you 4 and 3 into 1 will give you 3. I made a mistake in step number 4. If you can correct it, it will be very much better. It's not totally like that. Here a slight mistake is there. It will be not this one, sorry. It will be like this somewhat. Okay. Little bit. My step was little wrong there. So 2 into 2 will give you 4, 3 into 1 3, which will be equals to again 7. So in the fifth step, 0 is carried, we write here 7. Then 2 into 1 will give you 2, so which is equals to 2. So let us check. I have my calculator here. So I hope you can see. If not, I am bringing the calculator near the camera. I hope it is visible for you. Yes. So 2 3 1 2 into 12, which will be getting 2744. We have got this answer only. So I repeat once again. First what we have done, 2 into 2, then 1 into 2, 1 into 2, then 1 into 1, 3 into 2, then 2 into 2, 3 into 1, then 2 into 1. This thing we have done in this sum. Hope you have understood it. So let us move to our next sum. So our next sum is 4513 into 26. In the step 1, 6 into 3, which will give you 18 8. In second step, 1 is carried, 2 into 3 6 plus 6 13 12 13, yes, 13 only. 3 we write. In the third step 1 is carried. In the third step 5 into 2, 5 into 6, 30. Then for easy convenience I put a 0. 3 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, which will give you 33. We write the 3 here. In the fourth step 3 is carried, plus what we will do in the fourth step, 4 into 6, 24, plus 5 into 2, 10, so which will give you 37. 7, 3 is carried, plus 4 into 2, 8, so it will give 11. So 117338. So this is our answer. I request my viewers to please do this sum and answer me in the inbox. I hope that my viewers do and message me in my inbox. Today we have learned 4-digit multiplication into 2-digit multiplication. First we have learned the formula where there was a little mistake, so you will be coming after the sum is reached. Then in first we have done total 2 sums and 1 sum I have given to my viewers. So the first sum was 2312 into 12. Second sum was 4513 into 26. And third sum which I have given to my viewers were 2313 into 28. So today I am ending up with this much only. Meet you in my next video with new concept. So till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay at home.